Fertile, you and me, scene 1, shot 1, take 1.
Hello to everyone at 16 Dada Sai Falke Awards 2026. I'm Rahul Goenka. I run a production house called Screwdriver Films. After Mascom, it was always a dream to work on my own short film. I started with that dream just after the college, but gradually, with time, took me into corporate films, then animations, and this and that. And over the period of that 20 years, this dream was always there, but it was kind of a sleeping. In fact, the idea of this films came when I was discussing with someone, a client from IVF industry. We were talking about the kind of emotions. He was talking about what all a woman goes through during the process, what happens when that failure is known to her, when she gets to know about that failure, what happens to her mindset, how the dynamics between a couple changes over the period of time. And I was like, this is I really want to work upon. Frankly speaking, it was not an idea. It was I was able to see the complete film. मैं पूरी फिल्म देख पा रहा था कि मुझे ये चाहिए, ऐसा चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए. मुझे कैरेक्टर्स भी अच्छे चाहिए, मुझे लोकेशंस भी अच्छे चाहिए. फंड बड़ा लिमिटेड है. And that's where I started reaching people and things started happening. A lot of I was not expecting such a good cast coming for this particular film. We went to a lot of locations. I got stuck with one home, and it was like ये घर चाहिए, and it was completely out of budget. But ठीक है, जैसे तैसे we managed, and it was all about while discussing मेरी co-writer के साथ में, it was very difficult to make a young girl understand what men go through and what kind of psychology we 40 plus people have. And I was stuck, and I was like कि मुझे because I was able to see what I wanted, and I took everyone's suggestions, but frankly speaking, I wanted something, and so the film you see and the way I visualized, it was almost similar. 90% I ensured that whatever was there, because it was just like my college film, as if I have an idea and I have to make it, and that 20-year kid, 21-year kid again came back after a lot of time, and so I think I troubled. So the biggest problem of this project was me, because I was stuck and everyone had to work on this project as per my dream. And frankly speaking, gradually it built upon them and they started loving it. And so I'm not sure if they were right or there were different opinions. And what I saw, what I visualized is what I made. And what you will see is absolutely what I wanted to. So when we were discussing about what happens, everyone was talking about from the perspective and point of view of women, and I completely respect and understand and feel what goes in the minds of women and how the dynamics changes and how she goes through a lot during that process. But there was a different perspective also. We are told as a media person, as a filmmakers, everyone understand, we all understand that women in India goes through a lot. ये समझना बड़ा मुश्किल होगा कि मेन को भी बचपन से सिखाया जाता है कि अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे दबा के रखना है, कैसे मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग हूँ और मैं कैसे उस इमोशन को नहीं बयां कर सकता जो कि मुझसे नहीं जुड़ा. तो मतलब मेन कैन नॉट एक्सप्रेस एवरीथिंग. उनके पास शायद बहुत सारे दोस्त हो, पर बहुत सारी ऐसी बातें होती हैं जो अपने दोस्तों से भी नहीं बयां कर सकते, डिस्कस नहीं कर सकते, फैमिली के साथ डिस्कस नहीं कर सकते, अपने पार्टनर के साथ डिस्कस नहीं कर सकते. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ इमोशंस, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ हैपनिंग्स जो डिस्कशन करने के लिए उसके पास कोई नहीं होता. बड़ी मेहनत से, बड़ी शिद्दत से, बड़ी दिल से एक फिल्म बनाई है. प्लीज़ देखिए, सजेशंस दीजिए, अपने कमेंट्स दीजिए, अपने बुराई कीजिए जितनी चाहें, उतनी मत कीजिएगा कि अगली फिल्म ना बना पाओ. बट so मेरी contact details are there on the screen. I'll love to connect. I love to get more chance to be here, showcasing next and the next and the next and the next film to all of you. एंड मिलके कुछ अच्छा रहते हैं. थैंक यू.